In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offer annual memberships on Patreon. If you're looking to give your audience a simple way to commit for the year and boost your predictable income, annual memberships are a great option. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting, what each choice means, and a few tips to help you set it up with confidence. Start on your creator profile and head to the left navigation bar. Click the Promotions button. This page is where Patreon gathers tools that help you package and present offers to your supporters, so it's the right place to enable yearly billing. At the top of the promotions page, select the Autopilot link. Think of Autopilot as the control center for standardized offers, including annual memberships and related incentives. It keeps everything consistent across your tiers, so fans see the same options no matter where they land. Now look for the section labeled Annual Membership and click Set Up. This opens the configuration specific to yearly plans. If you don't yet meet Patreon's criteria to enable annual billing, you'll see an option to pre-enroll. Go ahead and choose that if it appears. Pre-enrolling tells Patreon to automatically turn on annual memberships for you as soon as your account becomes eligible, so you won't have to circle back later. Next, define your discount, which is optional but highly encouraged if you want to nudge more people toward a year-long commitment. You can enter a percentage, common choices are around 10% or 16%, and Patreon will apply that savings to the upfront annual charge. Keep in mind that annual members are locked into the discount available at the moment they join. If you change your discount later, the update only applies to new members going forward. Existing annual members keep the original rate until their next renewal. Choose a percentage you're comfortable sustaining over time and consider how it aligns with the value you deliver across a full year. When you're happy with your settings, click Save. This makes the annual option visible on your tier descriptions and on the checkout page. Supporters will see the yearly choice alongside monthly billing, with the discount clearly displayed if you set one. That clarity helps fans understand exactly what they're getting and what they'll pay up front. And that's it. You've enabled annual memberships through promotions, configured it in Autopilot, selected a discount that fits your strategy, and saved your changes so it's live for your audience. Thanks for watching and happy creating.